Hi guys,
back to the
welcome
channel.
back to the vlog.
So,
we're back with another video,
and I'm
we
back.
and she's back.
And today, my mom is gonna be cooking
Okay,
some yummy-licious food.
so you guys have to stay tuned.
Amazing.
Okay guys, now ihost yethu iyapheka lana. Izoyenza imins, angazi nama meatballs, angazi ne cheese, ne bake. So yeah.
You can crack the cheese.
So yeah, my assistant la. So the main chef Nangolana, and then the assistant is just too much image. Yeah. And then we had some welcome snacks. I don't know what you want to call it, but yeah,
Crackers crack.
they're so nice.
It's named Crackers crack.
Crackers crack. Okay, so yeah guys, I'll catch you guys soonest. I'll vlog the cooking and then show you the end results as well. So you guys know, Guti, like ukudla kumele kube tasty. Food must be spicy and yummalicious. So our starting point is the spice. These were being prepared for the meatballs, and then they went into the meatballs, and as you've seen, it was mixed, and then did a proper mix, and then we still added some more spices because it had to be yummalicious. And then the content creators, you see, content killed the youth, and now we're doing the meatballs, we're doing the balls, the bolognes. So yeah, our chef, guys, this girl can cook, but she's sleeping on her cooking skills. And another thing, like, she did a proper video for TikTok. I need you guys to go and bombard her Instagram. She did a proper video for TikTok, and she just decided she is not going to post it. Like, up to this day, we are waiting for it to be posted. So she's probably gonna be annoyed that I posted this one, but I kid again, I'm uninterested. We're here. This is where it's at. So you guys are going to go and bombard her Instagram and say, Brienne Lalela, we need you to post that TikTok video of you cooking meatballs and spaghetti and cheese, because guys, it's a beautiful video, but she just won't post it. I don't know, like Udin then. I think she just posted it on Instagram. You guys can see it there, but yeah, Silana, it was like it was bending a little bit, but yeah, it was under control. She managed to keep it at normal heat, and guys, I don't know if I could give you guys a story on just bamba my spice. Okay, here she put some milk. No, was it milk? I don't know. And then there she was. Guys, here's the thing, content creation is hard work. Like, it's hard work. If you look at the video we posted on Instagram and you look at the behind the scenes and the stuff we had to go through, you would realize that actually content creators deserve those hourly rates that they charge, that everyone thinks are ridiculous. Like, guys, look at her. She's busy trying to check out on the other side what's happening, and also she's trying to make sure that the pot is happening, and also she's focused on our own cameras. So, like, you can imagine, we are bungaranani, like, yeah, it takes really a lot. So when you guys see content creators and you see people that post really amazing content, please like, save, and share, and comment and compliment them, because there is so much hard work that goes into content creation, guys. I do not want to lie to y'all. Like, it takes a lot. Here she was trying to make sure that it's neat, it's proper, and yeah, it comes out the way. Because also, if you're looking at a sample, you want to make sure that it comes out exactly, or you want to make sure that it comes out better, so there we were. Meatballs are bowling. Then we had to sprinkle cheese on. The cheese was like begumnandi, man, guys. The cheese went on. Then we had to put it on the microwave under like very minimal heating, so that the cheese can melt, and then the food can be infused with taste and all of that. And then close, and then here we are. Champagne and mimosas and good food. So our chef is done cooking. So I'm gonna have we're going to have corn for some starters, drinks, but again, welcome drinks. I don't know what you want to call it, but yeah, to a good life, to good health, to money, to peaceful things in life. thought as much. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna pour. So there we go, guys. I'm pouring some cron for the girlies because guys. The thing about cron imnand, man, and I feel like it's underpriced. There we are. To good
Thank you,
life.
chef.
To fun and vibes, and isn't this nice? Look at the way she's looking at me, like she's actually shocked. Anyway, there we are. To fun, to vibes, to a good life, to money, to a good 2023. As we go into December, Bahlali. And there is the food. Okay, so she took it out to check it out, and then here it's out now. So it's yum 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 nom nom. I can't find what it looked like with what we made, but I can guarantee you guys, go to her Instagram, you will see how beautiful this was. Like, it was so delicious, and I'm just so annoyed that like she just won't post it on TikTok. Like, I really think she stands a good chance as a chef on TikTok, because hey, ngiyanazi ngale go TikTok ni busy, shame niyapheka, everyone is cooking. But yeah, man, and then we had some yummy food, and we got to actually sit down. And Jenga, you guys would think what's happening, but she was trying to make sure that it lands properly, and then the meatball did us dirty, fell over, but we managed to fix it, and then there we were. Also, guys, the smell, like, it smells so great. And then
Your content
ta-da! The girl is done.
I will give you the link to
Yo,
this
guys,
video
about
on
us, we'll
TikTok
create
because
content that we
a
will
lot
post.
went down.
Yeah, don't be too close.
It's her saying step back.
Okay, they need to take another
Anyway,
take.
yeah, guys, now December's coming. It's all
following,
things
guys,
light, it's all things love, it's all things
More funny
vibes.
than the
It's gonna be
DM
vlogs
me.
and vlogs. I'm gonna try to post as much vlogs
Apparently,
as I
there's a
can
wink.
during the month of December. But I'm not promising every day, but I've got some good vlogs for you guys. And thank you for coming back. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed
Another
this
take.
vlog, please do share it.